Tuesday morning, Mombasa town turned into a battleground between the police and rioting members of the outlawed Mombasa Republican Council. Police pushing back the rioters who demanded entry into the Mombasa law courts, where a case they lodged against the government demanding to be struck off the list of outlawed groups was going on. But the police would have none of that. Tear gas canisters were thrown at the group, which responded by hurling stones at the police. The ensuing melee saw one of the rioters die after being hit by a stone on the neck.
But whoever is calling himself MRC should know that there is a law in this country to be followed.
The three-judge bench appointed to hear the case, Justices John Mwera, Mary Kasango and Francis Tuyot, ordered the OCPD to investigate and give findings tomorrow as to the circumstances surrounding the death. But as soon as the proceedings came to a close, drama on the streets continued. These, as a Coast Provincial Police Officer Agri Adoli maintained that the crackdown on members of the outlawed group will intensify.
The crackdown on the MRC and other militia groups at the Coast Province is something that we are not going to relent.
The group has demanded that Coast secede from the rest of the country. In his address to Parliament, President Mwai Kibaki reiterated Prime Minister Raila Odinga's sentiments that the government will not condone the group's activities nor their intentions.
Kenya is one nation, and any attempts or calls for secession should be rejected and shall not be tolerated. The coast region has been part of and is part of and will remain part of the Republic of Kenya.
MRC supporters disrupted mock elections and civic education in Malindi last month, but Kibaki says this will not be tolerated.
Any hindrances and obstacles of whatever nature will be dealt with decisively and promptly.
9 people were arrested during today's riots, 3 of them charged with causing disturbance and being members of the outlawed group. 37 others were arraigned in a court in Kwale Monday, facing charges of participating in illegal gathering. The Tuesday morning incident occurred even as the government insists that it will not enter into any negotiations with the group, with fears now that tourists may shy away from the coastal town of Mombasa following intensified agitation from the group. Esther Kahumbi, KTN Prime in Mombasa.